buy some stuff from Temu, and it came in yesterday. So let me just open up the package. Again, I have some free stuff and I bought some stuff. This is a lip balm, right? Some of these, 3 of this stuff is free items and 3 I bought to get the free items, right? So these are color changing lip balm. These are dryer sheets. It smells real nice, I wouldn't lie. So I would be, oh my gosh, it smells real nice, right? So when I'm drying my clothes, I'll use this. I bought another case. And this is my phone. The first one was too big, so I bought another one suited for my phone, and it has the little accessories. These are underwear. These are some ooh, it feels nice, boy. Always good to have your nice little underwears. Of course, I'll wash them first before I wear them. These are for my pad and sanitary, the disposable, right? Panty shields. These are for it. Let me open it because normally I just put it like in a section in my bag. So I say, you know what? I need a carrying pouch specifically for pad, because when I put the panty shield in my bag and say like I go in my bag often, it end up opening. So I say, you know what? I'll get something specific for it. So I bought this, and these are inner soles for my shoes. The shoes, my work shoe I currently wear, the inner soles wear out. So I bought at least 6. So I'll put them in while I have on next flats. So, and that feels like to the ground now. So I need the padding on the inside. So I bought padding for my shoes. So these are my items, right, that I got from Temu. Of course, if anybody is interested in getting any stuff from Temu, you can message me. Give me a down payment. It takes, let me say, roughly 3 weeks. I think they had some Chinese holiday earlier this month, and they did say certain things would take a little longer. But that was like earlier this month. So once it's not by Christmas, of course, you could put in your order, and I could order this stuff for you. Of course, you have to pay up front. Must pay up front. I am not ordering items to anybody, and they don't pay up front. Peace out.